Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the next term of the given sequence. And we have given the sequence here: 11, 36, 148, 745, 4476, 31,339. Okay. Now, 11 into 3 plus 3 we will get 33 plus 3 means 36. Then 36 into 4 plus 4 is 144 plus 4, 148. Okay. 148 into here we can observe 3, 4, after that 5 will come. Then adding the numbers by increasing 1, 3, 4, after that we need to add 5, so we will get the next term, that is 740 plus 5, so it is 745. Then 745 into after 5 we need to multiply by 6, so 745 into 6 plus 6, 4470 plus 6, so it is 4476. Okay, 4476 into 7 plus 7, 31,332 plus 7, so it is 31,339. So, to get a next term, we need to multiply this 31,339 into 8 plus 8. So, it is 250,712 plus 8. So, the term be 250,720. Hence, the sequence be like 11, 36, 148, 745, 4476, 31,339. The next term be 250,720. So our correct option is option A, which is 250,720.